The debate over Derek Chauvin's conviction is back in the spotlight, and Ben Shapiro is leading the charge. In a bold move, Shapiro is urging Donald Trump to pardon Chauvin for his federal conviction, launching pardonderek.com to push the cause. This effort reignites one of the most controversial cases in modern history. Chauvin, the former Minneapolis officer convicted of murdering George Floyd in 2020, is serving time for both state and federal charges. While the state conviction was widely publicized, the federal charge, violating Floyd's civil rights, added 21 years to his sentence. Now, with Trump in a strong position for 2024, Shapiro argues that a pardon is necessary to correct what he sees as a politically charged trial. According to Shapiro, Chauvin never had a fair trial. The enormous media pressure, threats of riots, and political influence made it impossible for the jury to rule impartially. The verdict was already decided before the trial even began, Shapiro claims. He also highlights medical examiner Dr. Andrew Baker's testimony, which noted Floyd had fentanyl, methamphetamine, and heart disease, factors that could have contributed to his death. Despite this, Shapiro argues, the mainstream media pushed a singular narrative: Chauvin was guilty, no questions asked. Beyond Chauvin himself, this case had far-reaching consequences. The summer of 2020 saw over $2 billion in damages from riots, skyrocketing crime, and the rise of the defund the police movement. Shapiro warns that ignoring due process for the sake of political optics sets a dangerous precedent, one where the legal system bends to mob rule instead of facts. But would Trump actually grant a pardon? If he wins in 2024, he'll have the power to do so. However, such a move would trigger a firestorm of backlash from the left and mainstream media. Still, standing firm against media-driven narratives could bolster Trump's image as a fighter for law and order. With Shapiro leading the charge, this debate isn't going away. The push for a Chauvin pardon is gaining momentum, and if Trump listens, it could shake up the political landscape in a major way. Will justice be re-examined, or will the media's narrative continue to go unchallenged? Buckle up, this fight is just getting started.